Day 114 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, guys, we're back again. Another day, another LeetCode problem. We done made it 114 days, y'all, and we're still going. I don't see any signs of slowing down soon. We're just getting started. We have a lot more to learn, and we have a lot more discipline and consistency to get with. So, I hope you guys are still motivated and encouraged to keep going, because that's what this channel is all about. Partly is to keep each other motivated and to encourage each other and to lift each other up and do our part as a Swift community member to build and help the Swift community as a whole. So before we get started, y'all, don't forget, bring a mouse, bring a mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. Then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and we can help get this Swift content out to a broader audience and do our part in helping to build the Swift community as a whole and help to get more people involved in the Swift community. And yeah, so with that being said, let's get into the question. And today we have question number 1662. Check if 2 strings arrays are equal. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as well. And this solution we have today is actually a quite easy one to understand and remember and all of that good stuff. So we'll get to it soon. So let's see what the question says. It says, given two string arrays, word 1 and word 2, return true if the 2 arrays represent the same string and false otherwise. A string is represented by an array if a string is represented by an array if the array elements concatenated in order forms the string. So let's look at example 1 so we can see what they mean, but it's actually not that difficult to understand. The question's not that difficult to understand either, which, is not always the case with LeetCode, but in this case it is. So we have a word 1 is equal to a string, an array of strings, A, B, and C. Then word 2 is equal to an array of strings, A and B, C. The output is true, right? So its explanation says word 1 represents AB plus C equals ABC. Word 2 represents string A plus BC, which equals ABC. The strings are the same, so return true. So if we concatenate both of the strings, ABC and ABC, both times we'll get, if we concatenate the strings in word 1, we get ABC. And if we concatenate the strings in word 2, we also get ABC. That's why the output is true, because when we concatenate both of the strings, they equal the same thing, ABC, right? So let's look at example 2 where it might be a little different. When example 2, we have input word is an array of strings A and CB, and word 2 is an array of strings A, B, and C. This time the output is false, because if we concatenate this one, word 1 will have ACB, right? And then word 1 would have ABC, and word 2 would have, word 1 would have ACB, and word 2 would have ABC, which is different, right? It would be ABC, and these are 2 different strings. That's why we will return false, right? So let's look at example 3 so we can really bring this home. So in this example, we have input word 1 equals an array of strings A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, D, and D, E, F, G, right? And then word 2 has an array of strings A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G. The output is true, because when we concatenate all these strings together, we'll get A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G. And that is already what this is without the concatenation, but at the end of the day, they will be the same strings. A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G. Since they're both the same, the output would be true. So now that we understand what the question is asking, let's get into the code, because the code is not even that difficult at all, y'all. And guess what? We got a one-liner. So it's only going to take one line of code. It's similar to a problem we did earlier in the previous day, but let's get to it. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to say word1 dot joined, put the parentheses, we're going to say is equal to. So this equal to, remember this, when it's two equal signs, it's going to return a Boolean, right? So this is going to check to see if this is true. So it's going to check to see if word1 dot joined is equal to word2 dot joined. And that's all she wrote, y'all. That's all we had to write. And this right here is going to check to see if word1 dot joined is equal to word2 dot joined. Oops, got to put the parentheses. And yeah, let's run it. Make sure it still runs. Let's see. And there it is, y'all. That's simple and that easy. Let's submit it, because you know how this stuff goes. You might run and not submit. Let's see. And there it is, y'all. 10 milliseconds beats 34.44% of users with Swift, y'all. Not too bad at all, y'all. So I hope y'all learned something today. Today was kind of an easy solution, easy problem. But hey, that's what we're doing. That's what we're in the middle of. We're trying to build our foundation. We're trying to get these fundamentals under our control so we could build off them as we go further down our LeetCode journey, y'all. So hope y'all learned something today, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem.